Good morning, children. This is Shivalsis speaking. Children, we have been dealing with the chapter 5, that is about data handling, and we are presently dealing with exercise 5.1. And in the previous video, we had discussed about till question number 1 and 2. These two very important questions we have a discussion in the previous video. So, children, here in this video, we are going to have a discussion on the questions, question number 3 and 4, which I have chosen to solve today. These two questions are very important and very interesting question. Children, let us have a look what this question is all about. The weekly wages of 30 workers in a factory. There is a factory. There are 30 workers works, and they get the wages, weekly wages means after every week they means when week gets over they gets their salary. This is called weekly wages. The wages are 830, 835, 890, 810 like that. So our first job is what? We will copy this wages in our classwork copy. Using tally marks, make a frequency table with the intervals of 800 to 810, 810 to 820 like that, and so on. So children, we are going to make a frequency distribution table over here right now. So we will write a caption: frequency distribution table. Okay, all right. So children, what is our first job? We will draw a line, means we'll make a box. Okay, like this. First one is wages. Next one is next caption is frequency, and next one is tally marks. Okay, wages are starting from, as we are instructed, we have to write the wages. And what is the lowest wages over here? The lowest wages we can be seen, that is 804 rupees. Okay, no problem. So the range is 800 to 810. Next is 810 to 820. Next is 820 to 830. Next one is 830 to 840. Next is 840 to 850. Then 850 to 860. Then 860 to 870. Next 870 to 880. Then I've got no space, so I'm writing over here 880 to 890. And where is the highest wages can be seen? It's 890, 800, and it can be seen 890 can be seen. 898 is the highest one can be seen. So if I take the range from 890 to 900, that is only enough. So we'll take 890 to, let me write 890 properly, it's not understandable. It's 890 to 900. Okay, fine. Children, one thing before I start doing, I want to explain. Suppose children, a wages is 810. So now this wages 810 will come in which category? Here is 800 to 810. Then the next one is 810 to 820. So in which category 810 will be coming? Suppose that someone's wages is exactly 810. So it will come in which category? Children, it will always come in the next category, from where it's starting. Not in which category it's ending. It will be coming under the category where it's starting. Okay, children. Now, so let us start counting 810 to 810. If we look, if you start counting, children, there are three persons whose wages are coming under this category. So we will write 3. 810 to 820. We can find there are 2 persons whose wages are coming under this category. Now next one is 820 to 830. Only 1 person whose wages is coming under this category. Next 830 to 840. We have to read it all the wages very carefully in order to understand in which category these numbers are lying. From 830 to 840, if you count 830 to 840, then 830, 835, then 835, then 840, then we have got 832, then 35, many are there, so it's 9. If I count, it's 9. 840 to 850, 830 to 840, 840 to 850, 5% comes in this category. Then 850 to 860, 850 to 860, how many persons come? Only 1 person come in this category. Only 1 person gets wages comes between 850 to 860. Then 860 to 870, how many person come? 860 to 870, 3% come in this category. Okay. Then 870 to 880, how many person come? Only 1 person. Only 1 person come in this category. Okay. Other 2 are left. That was 890, 880 to 890, and last one was 890 to 900. So 880 to 890, how many people comes in this category? Only 1 person comes in this category. 880 to 890, 890 to 900. Now 890 to 900, how many person comes in this category? If you count, there are 4 wages comes in this category. Okay, children. Now the part of job is we have to add it. If the frequency sum of all the frequency comes 30, it's okay. Because in the question only it was mentioned that there are 30 workers. 3 to 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 9, 14, 14 plus 5, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. There are 30 people. Okay. 30 workers are there. There are 30 workers. Tally marks very simple. 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Next is 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one is 1. Next one is 1, 2, 3. Next one is 1. Next one is 1 and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this we have to make the frequency distribution table. So children, the frequency distribution table is made. Okay. So this is how we have to represent this one, such things in our classwork copy, or you can try this out in your bar graph copy, and you will submit, and you will make you will draw the table using pen and pencil, and the values can be written by pen. This is how we have to deal with this kind of question. So I believe it was absolutely clear to everyone. So in the next video I'll discuss about question number 4 and question number 5. So till then, thank you so much children. Bye bye, take care, have a nice day. Thank you everyone.